The Carrollton Riverbend Neighborhood Association sent a letter to the Sewerage and Water Board today demanding that it address the horrible noise problem at the Carrollton power plant.
Our David Hammer investigation this month showed how major power failures at the Sewerage and Water Board led to these noise problems. Now in this follow-up report, David shows just how damaging the noise has been for neighbors.
The new noisy normal at the Sewerage and Water Board's Carrollton power plant was on full display this week as the city's drainage system geared up for heavy rain.
So I got earplugs in the house. If I'm gonna get any kind of sleep at night, I got to put them in. And that's bad.
Johnny Wilson lives directly across from the massive diesel generators known as EMDs. As we spoke to him, the EMDs fired up again.
Right there, you see that soot that's over there right now coming out of there? That comes over here. If the wind blowing this way, it come in my house.
We used a noise meter to measure the sound level at more than 90 decibels. Anything over 85 decibels for an extended period can damage your hearing.
They need to stop it and realize we are human that's over here, that's living here, that had this house just as long as they had that Sewerage and Water Board.
But the Sewerage and Water Board can't stop the noise. Those EMDs were installed in 2017 as emergency backup power for the city's drainage pumps. That was before the main turbines for powering those pumps went down in December 2019 and in the summer of 2020. That made the EMDs the main power source whenever it rains.
I assure you, if there is anything that we could do in the immediate future, we would. Sadly, there's nothing that we can to minimize the amount of noise.
Sewerage and Water Board Executive Director Ghassan Korban said the problem is temporary and the agency should have the main turbines fixed in May and June.
Temporary, I don't care if it's a day and a half. It's too long for that kind of noise.
When the EMDs were installed in December 2017, the Sewerage and Water Board said it was working on noise abatement. And in 2019, a contractor warned the agency that noise from the EMDs exceeded acceptable limits. But so far, as with its broken turbines, the Sewerage and Water Board has been powerless. David Hammer, Eyewitness News.
And even though Korban said there was nothing that could be done to mitigate the noise, a Sewerage and Water Board spokesperson told David today they would be taking noise readings on Monday or Tuesday and would, quote, reassess their options.